Brian and Aaron here from 5 to Go, coming to you from our new tiny vehicle that
very tiny.
Does not pull an RV,
Nope.
but can be pulled by a Class C or a Class A.
That's right.
And if you have seen our previous videos, you know that we are no longer looking for Class A's. They just aren't safe enough for our requirements. So we're headed to go and look at our first used RV, Class C, from private owner. Someone here in Colorado Springs, so we're gonna head up there and check it out. It's actually in our price range, so it's not one of those like $80,000 ones that we've looked at some of the dealerships.
Yeah,
because that's not what we're looking for. We're definitely looking for a budget-friendly RV, one that we can kind of put our own spin on too. We didn't change very much in the reflection that we had, the travel trailer, but this one I think we're going to kind of customize and paint, and we'll just kind of see what we need to see. But we're looking at a lot older RVs. This one that we're headed towards is a 1999, which is a great year. That's when I graduated from high school. There weren't too many pictures on Craigslist, so I don't really know what we're walking into. We don't know if we'll be able to film. That's our intention, so we can kind of take you guys with us. We don't know if
I'm going to film regardless.
Okay, good.
You know, if the guy's going to be in there like talking our ear off,
then it'll just be video.
You'll just have video, and we'll talk about it afterwards.
Right.
If he doesn't follow us in, which I think he will, then we'll do like a normal tour.
Right, like we do when we go to the RV shows.
Yeah, so regardless, you'll be seeing the RV in just a couple seconds here.
The paint has looked better, I think.
It's $19.99.
It is $19.99. It's interesting. It's very small.
That's what we're looking for.
I know, Brian really wants a really tiny one.
Well, I want it to easily fit in the driveway.
Yes.
And some of the like 30, 31, 32 plus foot ones, they have that long tail beyond the back axle.
Mm-hmm.
And with the way that our driveway works, there's plenty of room for it in the driveway, but there's so much of like a jump.
Yeah.
I'd have to like build a ramp or something to get it in and out.
And
if we're just doing like weekend or week trips, like if we just go up to Yellowstone for a week, something that's 26 feet long, we can go into any single campground in that entire park.
Find a first come, first served spot.
Yeah, but when we were like 37-foot travel trailer, there was a single campground, and of course it was full because everybody, you know, a lot of people have larger rigs.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and hop over here. She's out there doing stuff.
Alrighty, I'm going to give this to you. You're a much better filmer. I'm good at the talking parts.
Are you?
No, not really. Different.
Yeah, I was not expecting there to not be like
a bed.
Yeah, but I'm not immediately turned off by that.
Jury's still out on me.
Yeah, I mean, it's not ideal, but for part-time use, I feel like you don't have a bed that only is a bed. Like you're not wasting all that space all the rest of the time.
Yeah, but
kind of
when
like the kitchen in the back corner, because it gets all that kitchen stuff like out
in the
of the
back,
way.
yeah, and not up near where the living space is and stuff. But we did use our bed as not just a bed, like it was a place for the kids to go.
The kids hung out there. I think that with the cab over area up top, like they're gonna hang out. Tara's not gonna hang out there because she's too tall. But the littles for sure would lay out there on their play pads. We're really only gonna be hanging out in the rig like during bad weather or in the evenings or whatever, since we're just going to be part-timing in it. So it's not like full-time where you have as many days just hanging out around the rig as otherwise.
Right.
Like we're going to use it to go somewhere, to be somewhere and explore.
Yeah, we did with this rig. We kind of we'll have to do some interesting sleeping stuff, which isn't the end of the world, but the girls would be over the cab. Ben and I would share the dinette because I don't sleep straight. I sleep all curled up anyway. And then Brian would have to be like on the jackknife sofa because he's a lot longer than I am.
Yeah, but the problem with that is, like, we've seen rigs of this length that they have a bed in the back. You know, they just have a different floor plan.
Yep.
This one is very nice. The price is definitely within our budget.
Oh, yeah.
And it only has 36,000 miles. It's a 20-year-old rig and only has 36,000 miles.
And very good condition inside.
Yeah.
Brian and I were kind of chatting. You know, obviously I would take the window treatments down because I hate those big, huge, boxy balances that just block everything.
We did that in our rig too.
Right. I would want to replace the rose-colored carpet just because not really my bag.
But there are no slides in there.
Nope,
so
no slides.
First of all, that's one less thing to worry about.
Right.
Leaks and motors dying and things not fitting back together properly.
Right.
And also, to replace the carpet, if we just did like stick-down tiles or laminate or whatever, it'd be very easy because there's nothing moving around.
Right. But, I mean, it's doable. It's short, and like Brian said, the price is right.
Yeah, the price is definitely right.
But it's the first one we've looked at from a private seller, so don't want to jump into that.
There are a couple at a dealer up north end of town here.
Maybe we'll check them out tomorrow.
Yeah, we have to go tomorrow because in Colorado, there's no car sales on Sundays.
No vehicle sales.
Yeah, no vehicles. So, like, even places like Camping World that are nationwide, they aren't open on Sundays.
Nope.
So, but tomorrow is October Day. Like, whatever that
Fall
is.
day? I don't know.
Yeah, but Aaron's off.
Yep.
The kids are off from school. So we might drive up the road tomorrow and take a look, because there were There were two
in our price range.
Two in our price range at the same place? Okay, so we'll go check those out tomorrow. So we don't want to jump on the first one we see.
Right.
However, mileage.
The mileage was good.
Lord. And the tires were like brand new. They were sun damaged because that's what happens out here.
Right.
And she said when she put it into storage, she had someone winterize it and store it. And when they stored it, they didn't put her wheel covers on, so they just got baked all last winter. But there was so much tread, I could fit like the entire first joint of my finger into the tread. So
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and that is not a cheap thing to replace.
No.
6 tires.
Well, and she said she had just replaced the batteries that morning too.
Yeah.
So the house batteries, she called them.
Yeah. They were under that little compartment as you were coming in
on the
stairs. I've never seen that before. But
yep.
I wonder if that's common. I don't know.
I think it is. I've seen that before.
But there are a lot of little. It's interesting looking at an older rig, especially after looking at so many newer ones.
Right.
There were so many little compartments kind of everywhere outside instead of
one big one.
Big, huge ones or like 2 big ones. So speaking of looking at older rigs, the cabinets and everything in there were super solid.
Yes.
It's not like going in these new ones where you're paying $80,000 for a brand new rig and the cabinets are stapled together and flippy floppy when you're like moving around. These were all very. It was like cabinets in a house in the 90s. Like it was nice.
It also is. It's such a nice thing to have.
It is, yeah.
Instead of you're right.
Yeah, the flippy floppy stuff, and like as you're driving down the road, everything's like twisting and moving, creaking, and those are all very solid. It was nice.
High quality hinges and everything. So.
Yeah, and they're even residential hinges. So if something went wrong with one of them, or something broke, or we just wanted to replace them for a different look or whatever. Just go to the hardware store and get lenses.
Get lenses,
lenses.
Just go get those.
Just put lenses on our cabinets.
That'd be great.
Yeah, so you don't even have to open the cabinet, right? Nope. You just look and it magnifies everything on the inside. Hinges.
Hinges.
You go to the store to get hinges.
Yes.
So, let's go ahead and wrap this up.
Ready?
And then we will take them along with us tomorrow. We'll go look at those other 2.
Yep.
And I don't know if we'll decide between any of those 3, but who knows? Don't know.
Yeah, I am itching to get one though, because we're still in season to go and be out.
Yeah, I mean, this weekend would have been great. We've been finding campgrounds like up on the other side of the mountains here. Like there's a couple reservoirs up there. There's just a bunch of. There's even like BLM and dispersed camping up there that we could do. And yeah, it's
I'm absolutely
nice.
missing.
And we're looking at that kind of. I personally think we want to stick under 30 feet, not only for national parks, but also so it's easy enough to just kind of jump in and go.
Yep.
Like even on a whim, if we would just wanted to like go up and boondock for a day.
Yep.
we could easily do that.
Yes.
So, yeah, so we will see you guys tomorrow.
Yes.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and all that stuff. I just put some very beautiful photos of the aspens yesterday on Twitter. And I think Erin's doing a post about them on Instagram later today.
Yes.
So if you want to see beautiful, gorgeous aspens at their peak, check that out.
You've got it.
Yeah. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.